Well, good morning. Welcome to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, and well, my yard is my garage. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of disassembly on our new project car, which is our 1969 Dodge Charger. Well, there it is. Lots of missing. Lots of missing. So what I've done is I pulled this door off, the passenger side. I was told it hadn't been off. Part of the reason is that, well, there is no lower hinge, so I'll need to get a new hinge. However, if we look up here on the door, we have these really cool busted off bolts sitting here. And that's going to be tough. There is a way to replace this plate from underneath, but of course that is also another rusted bolt. Well, that's okay. Rocker panels look great. So it really looks like these doors were off of one of those lime green cars. Same thing with the fenders. The car itself is an F8 dark green. So, well, you can see the driver's door is also that kind of light lime green. So we have a car of many colors. Here is what we're looking at today. I'm just kind of clearing all of this out so we can take seatbelts, everything out of here, take our PB blaster out of here. And then we'll see, I'll clean this. We'll see really what we're looking at. As you can already tell, deleted. Way deleted. Back here, actually, though, on this side of the seam, super good. That's going to be great. So really the floor that we're going to need to replace is from here all the way up. Really, we could probably do this side with a little patching here, little patching in the back here, but that side where the AC unit is sitting under is no bueno. That is really gone. And that's clearly where the rust kind of ate down through into the torsion bar box. So let's get to cleaning. Got the seat belts out of the main floor area. I'm going to grab my shop vac. Let's go ahead and clean this out. I did want to point out a couple things though. All right, so we don't need to replace the center hump. This has some complicated bits and brackets and stuff that are part of the console, so let's not do that. What I can do is patch and replace this section and this section. They have like a whole driver's pen that we can do. Same thing on this side. We'll do the passenger side as well, all the way from the front to the seam along the back. Since from there back it's okay, here front, not so okay. Not, yeah, well, you know what I mean. Alrighty, we're done vacuuming. Let's go ahead and take a look now. Clearly, this is the passenger side. We can see that we have a hole here. And this is pretty much missing right here. So certainly we're going to need a right side floor. We're definitely going to need a left side floor. You can see all the way from the gas pedal back to the rear seam that is, you can see the light coming through there. That is really bad. That'll have to be replaced. But it looks like the inner section here, which has all of these complicated brackets, I'm going to be able to leave that in place and patch around that. So that's going to leave all that complex measuring of this stuff. I won't have to worry about that. Our back sections here look fine. Just need to clean them up a little bit and put some of that body tar stuff back in the cracks. We've done some cleaning. We have a pile of stuff. Of course, I'm going to be keeping a lot of that. I'm going to take the seat belts, soak them in some soapy water, get them cleaned up. We'll reupholster the rear seat. We'll keep a few of the little bits there, but the rest, no. We're just going to get a classic, what is that, vintage air setup for the car, only because it's a lot lighter, uses a lot less expensive refrigerant. Yeah, so, well, we have the door off. We know what we're going to be doing there. Get a hinge. We know what we're going to be doing on the floor. We know what we're going to be doing underneath. So now it's just time to get that punch list going and start bringing some parts in and roll up our sleeves and get this going. Thank you for coming by. Once again, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and comment down below. Hit the bell when you want to see when there's more content that's been put up following this project. And well, we're making some steps. Thanks for coming along with this project. All right, take care. We'll see you next time.